Okay, so if you're like me, you don't give much thought to the things we use every day. I never think about how stuff is made or where it comes from.
I know, but this one you will. Today we're putting the spotlight on a successful Wisconsin company that uses sustainable practices to make very practical product. They make sure that we're all comfy when nature calls. Check this out, everybody. Bemis Manufacturing Company has been around since 1901, and today we're coming to you from the Bemis Bath Shoppe. It's a beautiful, newly renovated space in the heart of downtown Sheboygan Falls. And joining us today is Erica Spatz. Erica, this is so beautiful. I think our Morning Blend viewers would love to come here. I think I want to move in. It's so nice. Give us a little bit of background as to how the company started and how far it's come over these 100 years.
Yeah, so 1901, the Bemis family started a manufacturing facility right here in Sheboygan Falls, Wisconsin. As the recession hit in the late 20s, they moved into toilet seat. Just right down the road here, that facility, once we outgrew that, the family donated it to Sheboygan Falls, and it's now a really nice park.
And I also know that you manufacture eco-friendly toilet seats. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yep, enameled wood toilet seats. So, we like to say that Bemis was into sustainability before it was cool, before people were talking about it. We take over 70 million pounds of post-consumer wood waste. So all the window and door manufacturers that we have here in Wisconsin, we take all of their wood shavings that would go to landfill. We bring it into our manufacturing facility, grind that down into wood flour, which is then compressed to make wood toilet seats. What's even more exciting is then we take all the waste from making the recycled toilet seats and we grind that up and put it right back into manufacturing. Peter Bemis, one of the Bemis family members, came up with a process where we flow coat paint our seats. So instead of spraying them where you get a lot of overspray and you're also putting chemicals into the air, we use a water-based paint, and the seats will travel along, kind of like a merry-go-round. And they go around and the paint comes over them, and then we are able to collect that paint and continuing to reuse that.
And can I add, made in the USA?
Yeah.
Nothing is from anywhere else?
Yeah, so we do all of our manufacturing right down the road here. So all made of America quality products with a local workforce.
Can we talk a little bit about this beautiful bath shop that we're standing in?
Yeah, I mean, you can definitely come here and visit us in Sheboygan Falls, Wisconsin, and pick out one of our great toilet seats. We also have our new line of bidet seats. So another way to be sustainable in your own home, using a bidet eliminates the need for toilet paper.
This is beautiful. Your product is top-notch, high quality. I mean, this has just been a treat. So now we're upstairs in this beautiful Bemis Bath Shoppe, and this is the kids section. And showing us around this section is Keith Fisher from Bemis. Keith, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's a great space, right? Downstairs when you were working with Erica, she showed you all of our wonderful products and the lovely colors and everything that goes on down there, which is exactly why we're up here. We want to talk about one of our coolest inventions is our next step to toddler seat. And we're talking about the beautifully sculpted toilet seats that we have out of our molded wood process, our eco-friendly and our sustainable process. And we have all those. And this next step to toilet seat looks exactly like those other eco-friendly, sustainable, beautifully designed, sculpted, and high-quality seats with a little hidden surprise in it.
There is
a catch. There is a child seat built right into this seat. And it is a functional, stable, and secure toddler toilet seat. It also has a magnet to hold it up. So when an adult needs to use it, it's going to stay up and it's not going to flop down against your back. The other really cool feature about this is it very easily pops off. So this is made of a high quality, durable plastic that's easy to clean, easy to stay sanitized, easy to store off to the side if you're not using it.
Yes.
And easy to return. When it's on the seat, it cannot come off when it's down.
Yeah.
When you lower your seat, when your toddler is done, it automatically latches to the top of the lid. Next person needs to use it, whether it's adult, whether you're entertaining, it's always functional and always out of the way until your toddler needs to use it.
Before I let you go, because you have such a beautiful display here, you have little small things that you guys have thought about that make this, again, high quality elegant and chic.
So we've created some intentionality into our hinges. All of our wood toilet seat hinges have what we call whisper close, which is a slow close feature like we showed on the next step too. We try to design our toilet seats such that they match the bowl of all manufacturers' toilets. What we also do is we add in some functionality of adjustability so you can get that perfect alignment on the front of your toilet seat. We also add in what we call STA-TITE. So it's a patented system that fits into the bowl of your toilet, the holes, and does not move during use.
If I haven't learned anything else by being here today is that you guys are so chic and so elegant. You make this the highest quality experience. So thank you for having us.
We truly do. Thank you for being here. It's a pleasure to have you here.
See, I told you guys that was awesome. Bemis Manufacturing Company is located at 300 Mill Street in Sheboygan Falls. For bathroom trends and how to figure out what toilet seat is right for your needs, go to toiletseats.com.
Okay, I gotta just say one thing.
Yes.
After you being there, I seriously, after watching it, I want a toilet seat in every color. I want a toilet every single color you showed us. It was so great.
It was so great, and you don't think about it, you guys. This is the thing that we use every day. Spend some time and some money and some energy on picking the best. I mean, if you don't want to spend your money anywhere else, spend it there. And you don't have to just go to that beautiful showroom, which I loved.
Gorgeous.
But you can go online to get them.
And they had fun stuff there, didn't they?
Fun stuff. It was amazing. They had things for the bathroom, soaps and lotions and smell goods and candles and the diffuser-y things, everything. It was
so neat.
perfect.
I love that. Way to go, Steph.
I loved it. I loved it.
Doing the practical stuff and making it really pow. I love it.
We must be comfortable when nature calls, folks.
That's right.